later.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Wipers are frozen. They don't work. I think they froze overnight. What the heck? She's running like a champ though. Woo! Alright, update. I've been driving for like 15 minutes and my wipers still don't work. And it's starting to get dangerous. I don't know if you can see, but my window is wet from snow. And I can't see properly. Alright, so I turned the car off and turned it back on and voila. What up, dudes? This is a videoception. Alright, if you realized it in my previous videos, I don't have a door handle here. It broke off. And I don't know if this is a common problem, but it happened to me. And we're gonna replace that. One second. Casey Neistat, unpackaging, unboxing, montage. 3, 2, 1. Failed.
You want a box cutter?
Oh.
Make sure not to break your nail.
It has a... Alright, so the tools you're gonna need is a new door handle. I got this from Amazon. It's like 50 bucks. Actually, one of the people in my previous video commented on it. I don't remember his name, but he sent me a link and I got it from there. So actually, I got it from eBay. Never mind. That's my old one. Wow. And I don't know if you can see, but it's broken like right here. There's like a round circle over here that it's broken. So yeah.
Alright guys, so in the door handle, old door handle, there's this little piece. This is the part that broke off. But you're gonna want to take this metal rod out of its spot just so you can use it on the new door handle if it doesn't come with one. Ours doesn't come with one, so we're gonna have to reuse the old one. And to do so, it's pretty simple, just pry it out. There you go. When putting it back in, first thing you're gonna do is can you zoom in?
Yeah.
So stick it in there. I don't want to fall. There we go. Once you stick it in enough, just fit it into its little placement, and there you go. That's all it is.
Alright, so you open your door. There's 2 holes right here. Grommets?
Yeah, there's 2 grommets that
Two grommets that hold those. And you just need to take them out. And then
just the cover, it's not
there's two screws.
10 millimeters.
10mm bolts. Screw/bolts. You can take them out of there. And then you get to the other side. You can see, well, this is where one of them is, and it lines up with this, and the other one lines up with this one. So you just need to take those out, and then yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so you have your door handle. We put this in, and then now we're gonna put in the end of this. There's a blue thing over there. I don't know if you can see it.
Okay. Oh, yeah. There you go. Right there.
That blue thing. There's a hole in it. So
there's a hole.
This.
There's a hole in there, and you're gonna get that end of the other end of the rod. Stick it in there.
So, oh, I think it's in.
There you go. Cool.
I think that's in.
That's it. Yeah, looks good. I just gotta bolt it done.
Alright, there it is.
Want to hold it while I bolt it?
And then through these holes that we had here, you're just gonna align it. So just move it, and then it should line up. And all you do is just bolt it on. Not like this. Did you get it?
Almost. There we go.
We're having technical difficulties. I want you to bear with us. We'll get it solved. We just need a bolt or a screw that's gonna. Just need a bolt or a screw that's gonna fit onto here. But we should be fine after.
Cool. Done.
Really? Hello, random people.
Look at this door handle.
Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. I know this one wasn't as great as the other ones, or maybe it was, I don't know. But I got my door fixed. I have a door handle now. So that's good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. I'm freezing. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Bro, it just keeps doing it. Stop. Can you record that I'm not pressing anything right now? It won't stop. Stop. I have to turn the car off. Now it won't start. Okay.
Right. Oh no, not a turn.
Huh?
It seems to like only engage at turns and then like continue on.
It's so weird. It stopped now, look.
That was so bad.
Great. Okay.
You didn't get pulled over like just for that.
I know, I don't know why it's doing it. I'm scared like I'm gonna be in like a neighborhood.
At the lights make a left.
And I'm gonna just start honking at everyone. If you know what this is, can you comment down below, please? I don't want to honk at people for no reason.
Make a left.